Hello friends, welcome back to tri-vima Studio. And in this video, we will learn the next step of the wooden toy tab. And here there is very simple way to create the next upcoming model in this, which is simple but little smart. So let's try. First of all, I'll select this model here, this object here, and I will switch on the wireframe so I can see what is going on, what is the structure of it. So go to edit of this object and then go to face. That once you press 3, so you will get this face mode on, and then select the edge, select this faces and press shift D. Don't move your cursor and press escape. So what it does, without moving it, it created a duplicate polygon and it is still placed there, but and also it's still selected. So immediately after that, press P to separate the selection and to make it different object. So the selection, now go to object mode and then you select again the new object, that is this. So I can put a mirror on this and I can see there's a correct mirror here. Now again, one thing I have to do, that I will remove this middle edge, dissolve edge. Then I will use this section to, I can see this one. Okay. And again, I need few more things. See other image also, that is, let's have, yeah, this one. We can understand what is going on. See, I need this piece, I need this, and this way the pulley is. You can see the pulley. That this bed is given the space to tie the rope, and this is the structure. So this way something we have to make. First of all, we deal with this 3 and then the pulley. So let's start. So I did something little here. Now I need this same edit poly. I'm sorry, I'm still in different terms. Uh, so I need one more polygon for this and this. So select this, shift D, go to X and jump it here. Let's snap this G. Okay. And then again, I need a snap to be off and then GY and pushing it here. Position it like a square. It should appear like a square. Approximately is enough. And push this back again little this much. So let's maintain this. Again, now I need this to be positioned here. So shift D and Y and place it here. Then again switch off this. Now push this further. So E means extrude and Y. So I did this. Now here I am changing a little design. That is this and this one. Shift, sorry, not shift, but G and X to grab and move it here. Okay, now here also I will push it. But here, perfect. I think this is going good. Now this edge should be followed till here, I guess. That will be it. So this is it. Now I need a solidify modifier, but see, whenever I create or give a thickness to it, it goes down. So we need to solve this. What we'll do, we'll change the offset. This is in minus, go to plus. So here it is. Now I think the design is looks fine. Edit G Y to snap it here. So this will be perfect. Now let's apply this modifier. So just make sure when you apply any modifier, you have to go to object mode and then select the object, whichever object has that modifier which you have to apply and click apply. After that, now we'll do it again and then G Z, not snap, at least this one. Okay, so this is correct. So here we have the structure of this. We are not yet doing any oh, any detail right now. I'm just creating a blocks, then we'll do the detail. Because I think if you are having good block structure, then you can deal with anything. So now we'll create a pulley. So shift, let's switch off this wireframe right now. Then shift A, go to mesh cylinder, and jump into wireframe. Go to edit of cylinder, RY90. So it will rotate all selected vertices of the object in the y direction for 90 degrees. So this way here. So now scale it down and then put it here. Here. So this is the pulley option. Let's have it. Now again, go to top, go to edit, scale X, push it here, and then select these polygon, press I to inset. Let's have this inset to here and bridge faces, right click and bridge faces. Now deselect this edges or polygons. Let's have the edges here. First of all, I need these two loop cuts to create. That is, scale it till here. Then select the polygon. Alt E for extrude face along normals. So push it down and then scale it here. This is fine. Let's see here. Okay. I need this pulley to be perfect. So I think this is going good. We'll detail it later, but this is the correct one, which I am expecting. Now, this is the way I plan few blocking and all my objects in work. In this condition, I doesn't need any references or tracing part where I will put an image behind and I'll trace in front of it. So if you are good in modeling or if you want to be good in modeling, you practice without references, but also you have to make sure that you have a proportion in it. You maintain that proportion. You keep practicing by few things like there are many ready-made, pre-made model which are in actual some scale or Blender and all. So buy that or download those and take one single object like human character or a car or something. In that reference, in those model reference, you try to create without any tracing or reference or putting those model also inside behind your model. So this way you will be practicing the proportional knowledge. Make it simply, start it simply, and then work in every direction. You will examine your model in every direction, whether I am wrong or right. You have to check every time while you just click once. Then if you found something, you correct it, and then you will be slowly growing, building your proportion knowledge. That's very important that you refer. If you don't know anything of modeling, you start 3D modeling by reference images, tracing on those reference images. But gradually you also switch to non-reference image. That means you don't need any images. You will do it directly. I'm using the images just like this, but inside of it, not just on the model, so I can trace it exactly. So here it is. See you on next video and keep watching, keep subscribe, share your questions, queries. I'm here to help. Thank you.